Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. Anyway, just come from there. And so basically I want to welcome back in the kitchen. This Christmas, we know that a lot of people be busy doing a lot of stuff this Christmas, but I want to just introduce you to my boiled plantain for Christmas. Alright guys, you know this Christmas most people fry their plantain. Most people do all different kind of things with the plantain. This is the ripe plantain. And I want to simply say to you, this Christmas, you can do a little bit of fried plantain and also a little bit of boiled plantain. The boiled plantain is very easy to prepare, very easy to cook. And as right over here, I have a medium-sized pot on the stove with even some water inside of it. Can't believe this, guys. So what we're going to do now is show you exactly what you're going to need to do. Alright, so we're going to cook roughly one of these plantains. So you're going to simply remove the skin from the plantain, put the line up the side, come down. So this is the ripe one, and you also have the green one. Once you do that, simple. Cut it into about 4 pieces or even 3 pieces. Alright, and this is the amount of plantain right here which I do have, and I'm gonna show you what you can do also with the plantain, guys. So it's just amazing to know that, you know what I mean, this one you can also fry it and also cook it, boil it. I use it in soup, I use it in so many different things. So let's see what's going on over here, guys. Stay tuned. So we got a medium-sized pot right here. What we're gonna do is just pop a little pinch of salt in it, not too much. We're gonna pop the plantain in a minute like this. Alright, so we're just boiling one of the plantain. Cover it and allow that for roughly about 7 minutes or 10 minutes at least. Alright, enjoy it, guys.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. So bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy.
Nice, I love it, guys. So basically, move the lid. And this is the plantain right here, alright? You can know when the plantain has cooked. It look different, so it look yellow. So that's when you know when the plantain has cooked. Alright guys, so basically this is finished because I make it cook for roughly about 10 minutes. Because these are ripe plantain, really ripe, just ready to cook and fry. Alright, but I'm just giving you some ideas what you can do for Christmas on the table. Boil ripe plantain. Nice and lovely. Just take it from the pan, and now I'm gonna do this, put a little bit of water on it just to keep them fresh and nice. So just look at this. Alright. So once this Christmas, guys, is just some ideas, you know, or you can cook and boil some green plantain. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave a comments in the description box. Sometimes you can fry it and sometimes you can also peel it. And that's it right there. Green plantain, also you can fry them and you can boil them. Ripe plantain, same thing, fry and boil. Enjoy the recipe and I will see you next time. Bye bye.